I like to be under the sea, in an octopus's garden, in the shade. He'd let us sing, know where we've been, in an octopus's garden, in the shade. I'd ask my friends to come and see the octopus's garden with me. I like to be under the sea, in an octopus's garden with you. Hey everybody, I'm Vasco and today we're doing Octopus's Garden by the Beatles. I'm going to show you how I'm playing it on a low G string ukulele, because that way the intro riff comes out really good. And also we'll be doing it 2 half steps lower than the original. So if you want to play along with the original recording, you can just put a capo on the 2nd fret and play the same way that I'm about to show you right now. So grab your low G and let's see how to play this one. Alright, the intro is super cool, but it's tricky. I'm going to show it to you right now. If it's too complicated for you, you can just skip it and go right to the parts. But let me come a little bit closer now to explain you the intro riff. Okay, so we start on the G string, on the 2nd fret, and we're doing hammer on to the 4th fret. Then the same thing on the C string. And immediately we slide to the 6th fret. Okay, and then middle finger on the 5th fret of the E string, and with the pinky hammer on and pull down. And then again C string, 6th, slide to 4th, 2nd, and playing the D chord. All right? Avoiding the A string here. Okay, and then the 2nd time starts the same but ends differently. Up to this point is exactly the same, but here instead of 5th fret of the E string, we're playing 5th fret of the A string. And then the pinky here on the E string 7th, sliding to the 5th, 2nd, pull down, 2nd of the C string, and then open E string 1st fret, and then we start D on the 2nd fret of the A string, 2nd fret of the E string, and a hammer on here on the 4th fret of the C string. Then B minor. I'm doing 2 slight down strums, and then with the pinky here on the 4th fret, and then pull down. Then grabbing the G chord, but I'm not playing all the strings, I'm mostly focusing here on the G string, and then C string with the pinky on the 4th fret hammer on, then pull down. A, and here we do on the C string 1, 2, 4, and we grab D for the verse. So let's see how the whole thing goes very slowly. Okay, with a little bit of tempo. I'd like to be, going to the verse, which starts with the chord of D, okay? And we have transitioning chords. So after the D it is A7, but I'm actually avoiding the G string here, mostly playing the C and E string. Then going to B minor. And here there is another transitioning chord, that is A, and then we go to G to A, all right? So as a matter of timing, the transitioning chords start on the 4th time, so it is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we're repeating this thing 2 times. And the strumming I'm doing is something like down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. He'd let us in, knows where we've been, in an octopus's garden, in the shade. And here actually on this A, I'm adding one element, that is this thing. On the C string, while I'm playing the A chord, I'm playing 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. I think that actually the back vocals are doing this little melody, but it sounds cool to add it here too. And then the 3rd line starts with B minor, where I'm just doing down strums. I'd ask my friends to come and see. Very quick A, again on the 4th time of the 2nd bar, and here G. The octopus is garden with me. Down, 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 down. On the 3rd down, I'm adding the ring finger on the 2nd fret of the C string and then releasing it. Garden with me. And here, da-dum, pam, pam. On the G string, 2, 2, 4, C string, 1, and grabbing D again, going to the main chord progression, but it ends a little bit differently. I like to be under the sea, in an octopus's garden. So here this bar is split between G to A to D. And these 4 lines basically are a verse, and we have a few verses in this song. We don't really have chorus, or you can get one of these lines and say that it's the chorus, I don't know, but this is the structure. And then we have another verse, and then we have the solo, which basically is the same chord progression, but we are changing the key. So this is in the key of D, and after that we're going in the key of G. So we play the chord of G, then the chord of E minor, then the chord of C, but I'm grabbing it like this. You can grab it as well, like this, if you want, but I think this is the better shape for this song. And then the chord of D. And the 2nd time ends a little bit different. C to D to G to A. And getting back to the key of D. I like to be under the sea, in an octopus's garden with you. And actually here for the outro, we repeat the last bars a few times. In an octopus's garden with you, B minor to A. In an octopus's garden with you. In an octopus's garden with you. And here the last 2 chords are actually A, but also with the first fret of the E string, and then D. And this is how you finish it. Alright, so this sums up my tutorial for Octopus's Garden. Thank you very much for watching this one. I hope it was helpful for you. I believe it will be easier to learn it if you have the printable in front of you. You can find it in the link in the description. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me in the next video. Goodbye.